Hello dear friends, welcome to PharmaGrid. So let's continue with the chemistry related recall questions. Question number 11. To prepare a buffer system with the greatest buffer capacity at a pH of 4, one would utilize which one of the following acids? See the pK values given. So the options are acetic acid, acetyl salicylic acid, boric acid, lactic acid and salicylic acid. So here you can see the table of pK values for acids. For acetic acid, pK value is 4.76. Acetyl salicylic acid pK value is 3.49, boric acid 9.24, lactic acid 3.86 and salicylic acid pK value is 2.97. Here the correct answer is option D, that is lactic acid. A buffer system consists of a weak acid or base and its corresponding strong salt. So in order to prepare a buffer system, one should choose an acid or base with a pK value close to the desired pH. So here the desired pH is 4. Okay, so the acid which is having the pK value close to the desired pH is lactic acid. Lactic acid pK value is 3.86. Okay, so this lactic acid and sodium lactate can be combined to obtain a pH of exactly 4. Next question. The given structure represents, the options are fatty acid, amino acid, ketone, amide, ester. Here the correct answer is option B, that is amino acid. Amino acids are biological molecules that are used to build proteins. They are made of a central carbon attached to a carboxyl group, a hydrogen atom, an amine group, and a variable group called the R group. The alpha carbon, carboxyl, and amino groups are common to all amino acids. So the R group is the only unique feature in each amino acid. So here you can see the structure of amino acids. This is the central carbon, which is the alpha carbon. This is the hydrogen atom and this is the amino group, okay, NH2 group, and this is the carboxyl group, that is the COOH group. Next question. When Dimercaprol is also known as British anti-levisite, is used to treat heavy metal poisoning, its effectiveness is due to the chelate formed being all the following except. The options are water soluble, having a large stability constant, readily excreted, non-toxic, readily metabolized. Okay, so in the question they have asked about the exception. So here the answer will be option E, that is readily metabolized. Here you can see the structure of Dimercaprol. This British anti-levisite or Dimercaprol has two sulfhydryl groups. Okay, this SH groups, that is the BAL has two sulfhydryl groups. It will compete with the thiol groups of the enzymes for binding with the heavy metals and form a stable metal chelate complex which is readily excreted through urine. So all of these are properties of this chelate form, that is the chelate formed will be water soluble, will have a large stability constant, it will be non-toxic and readily excreted. The exception is readily metabolized. Question number 14. A secondary alcohol on oxidation yields. The options are ketone, primary alcohol, aldehyde, aldehyde and ketone, acid. Here the correct answer is option A, that is ketone. So here you can see primary alcohol on oxidation yields aldehyde and carboxylic acid. And the secondary alcohol on oxidation yields a ketone, where tertiary alcohol has no oxidation reaction. Question number 15. The various penicillins that are available differ chemically. The options are in the nature of the acyl side chain, in substituents on the fused ring nucleus, in spatial arrangements of atoms around an asymmetric carbon, in the nature of the original or naturally occurring nucleus, only by being different salts. Here the correct answer is option A, that is penicillins differ in the nature of the acyl side chains. So here you can see the general structure of penicillins. Penicillin comes under beta-lactam antibiotics. So this is the beta-lactam ring and this 5-membered ring is the thiazolidine ring. This is the acyl side chain. Okay, the penicillins differ chemically in the nature of the acyl side chains. And here you can see the different penicillin derivatives and their R side chain. Based on their R side chain, they are classified or they are named as benzyl penicillin, oxacillin, ampicillin, amoxicillin, piperacillin. Okay, all these differences are on the acyl side chain. So with this question, we have finished today's recall session. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.